Hi guys, welcome back to our video. Just finished the Poppy Playtime series, almost. If you haven't watched that, go check that out on my gaming channel, VR channel, because I don't have access to my gaming channel on my laptop for some reason, so yeah. So, welcome back. Today I have a surprise for you guys. You're here for fire alarms, and that's what we're doing. You see that? Can you see this? We have an announcer. That's right. And we have a postage. And another PlayStation going up over there shortly. And an alarm right there. And wire. And the panel. This is the ms5ud. And this is the text from the strip. Yeah, this is just gonna be a quick test. Okay. Let's go ahead. And there's no PlayStation right here right now. Okay, let's start with a drill. Hey. Silence. Audible silence. I don't have the key hooked up yet, so I can work without the key. I can reset. And now, since I did not bring my key for my PlayStation over there, because it's not on this key ring, I'm gonna come grab it from our panel room. It's a really loud system, so yeah. FCI key. And yeah, I'm going to silence reset from the annotator. I do not have a P user at the annotator or and it's only in ms5ud. I'm using 2 zones right now, and two of those 2 zones are one's for the PlayStation down in the mechanical room, and one is for the PlayStation's in here. So I want to, now 2 of the zones are used for the annunciator, so I have 1 zone left, so I want to save it, so yeah. It's going to have a delay, so you'll hear the Commander 3 go off first, and then you'll hear the P2 over go off. This is the actual key for it. And we'll go to reset from the panel. So plump. See, zone 5, PlayStation. Reset. And we'll do a battery test. We'll go ahead and do a no power simulation. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and set it off right here. I think that's gonna be it for this video, guys. see you guys next time.